Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a content language in LinkedIn. So let's begin. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. Now here on the top left, click on your profile icon. At the bottom, select settings. Here on the first option, click on account preferences. Here in the general preferences section, you can see content language. Select it. Here, tap on this change icon. Now you can change whichever language that you want among these. Here I'm selecting Hindi. So now the change has been done. So this is the easiest and fastest way to change content language in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.